Alright, so let's find the exact value of tangent of 105 degrees. Now it says exact value, so what is that telling us we're going to do?
Unit circle.
Unit circle. No calculator, right? But, is 105 on my unit circle?
Yeah. Yes. No.
It's not on mine. I mean, yes it is, but it's not one of them we have an ordered pair for, is it? Okay. Now we did learn to be able to use the sum or difference formulas, but this one tells us in the directions here we're going to use a half angle formula. Well, 105 is half of what number?
210.
So we could say that, I don't know why I want to put sign there, tangent of 105 is the same as saying tangent of 210 divided by 2. Is that true?
Yeah.
So in that case, what is my U value? 210 degrees, which has an ordered pair of what? Very good. Alright, so now we're able to find that exact value. This is my tangent of U over 2, gentlemen. So, which formula am I going to use? There's two of them to choose from. They're side by side. Now look at it, guys. Cosine is the one that has either a plus or a minus within both of the formulas, if you're looking at the formulas, right? The first one has a 1 minus cosine on top. The second one has 1 plus cosine on bottom. We have a radical in our x position, don't we? Which is what? Sine or cosine? Which one's x? Sine or cosine? Cosine. We don't want the radical on the bottom of the fraction, do we?
No.
So use the one that's going to put cosine on top. So that would be the first one. So we're going to use that tangent of U over 2 is equal to 1 minus cosine of U over sine of U. Alright, so we get 1 minus cosine, you told me U was 210 degrees, over sine of the 210 degrees. So let's plug in. We have 1 minus. What is cosine of 210 degrees? Negative square root of 3 over 2. Over, what is sine of 210 degrees? Alright, let's work in that numerator. So this is going to be what? 1 plus the square root of 3 over 2 all over the negative 1/2. Not yet. You got to get that numerator into one term before keep it, change it, flip it. So this is 2 over 2 plus the square root of 3 over 2 all over negative 1/2, right? So I dealt with my numerator. I got it together. Now keep it, change it, flip it. So 2 plus the square root of 3 over 2 times negative 2 over 1. Well, my 2's will cancel, right? But I still have that negative there, so I'm going to put a 1 there, and I'm going to distribute it. So negative 2 minus the square root of 3 over 1, which is just negative 2 minus the square root of 3.